What's up guys? Welcome to the podcast. Kung gusto niyo makinig ng NBA, PBA, Gilas, and all things Philippine basketball, subscribe kayo for more. Nico here with Graham. Nagre-react kami dito sa kakatapos lang na laro ng Boston Celtics at New York Knicks. At natatawa kami kasi, guys, mga Celtics fans, sorry pero, di ba kayo natatawa sa nangyari na 21-2 run? Nakakatawa na nakakaiyak para sa inyo. Sa amin nakakatawa lang talaga kasi come on, man. Like for a defending champion, ganun nangyayari.
Exact. Kaya nga, no?
Grabe, what a
Parang,
collapse, Graham, go.
parang fever dream. Parang, for example, pinanood ng Game 1, Celtics fan ka. And then, tinulog mo. Tapos paggising mo ng Game 2, ganun ulit na nangyari, di ba?
Ganun ulit.
As
Sabi
in,
mo, oh!
it's the exact same thing. Hindi lang nag-OT this time. But,
Hindi na
bro,
nag-OT.
New York,
Oh.
grabe yung New York Knicks. Grabe yung puso, ano? And, I,
May puso,
I'm
actually. Puso yun.
speechless. Yung, si, the Villanova brothers, si Hart,
Yes.
si Brunson, and si Bridges. This is this is what they envisioned the Knicks to do. Yung talunin yung Boston. Remember, this reminds me of the 2018 Houston Rockets. Alam mo yung
Really?
they
Okay.
compiled shooters na when all teams said, no, we're not gonna beat the Warriors. The Houston Rockets went all in, and their only goal is to get past uh, Golden State. Ito yung ginagawa ng New York ngayon, and I didn't expect this because the Celtics annihilated them in the regular season, except in the final time that they met, na nag-overtime. But bro, this New York team, this is ang sarap nilang suportahan. For real, di ito yung gusto ng mga Pilipino. Di ba?
Underdogs.
O
Mm.
underdogs, nitty-gritty, di ba? Scrappy, hindi masarap panoorin, nananakit, low scoring, but man, they don't give up. It doesn't matter what the score is. Tinitingnan ko yung score kanina, kumakain kasi ako. Tapos,
Nakabukas na yung TV
nilipat ko
sa
na.
akin.
Oo, akin. Nilipat ko na nga eh. Nanood na lang ako ng mga pass clearing operation ni Gabriel Go. Kasi, wala na eh. Wala. This is the East, di ba? I think this is the East in lamang. Um, in the fourth, but 21 to 2 run, Jalen Bronson clutch player of the year. And grabe talaga. Wala akong masabi sa ginagawa ng New York ngayon. They had I didn't think that I'll see the Celtics rattled sa end of games being the defending champs. Pero
Hindi halata. Hindi
grabe,
sila mga defending champions with the way they played in the fourth.
grabe yung the way they played talaga. Out of sync, no system at all, 'di ba? So,
Nagkanya-kanya. Para akin na, sige,
oo,
nawala yung
oo.
sistema na, di ba?
Kudos to them for not taking 63 pointers, unlike in game one where they were criticized, but they
In
still
this
took,
one,
I think,
Graham,
four.
10 for 40
Oh,
sila. 10 for
there you
40 in
go.
this game.
There you go. So they have already missed 75 three-pointers in the first two games. 75 three-pointers. How? This is Steph Curry's fault, bro. But
Si
kidding
Steph
aside,
Curry's fault.
kidding
Pangbukas na
aside,
yan. Pangbukas na yan. Steph Curry
pambukas
usapan
na
natin.
yan.
Pero walang
Uh,
Steph Curry
but
bukas. Pero sige, sige.
yeah, for sure. But kidding aside, I don't think this series is over. That's
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's
how much
Boston.
respect I have for Boston.
Same. I don't think it's
I
over.
can see them win. I don't predict this. I just can see them winning the two games at Madison Square Garden.
You can.
Pero
Nakikita mo.
yeah, yes,
Na
yes.
possibility. Okay. I also see
Oo,
a
there's a
possibility.
possibility, but I'm not counting on it the way New York played in the second halves of both games. I don't see it happening. I mean, I want the Knicks to advance, to be honest with you. I want the Knicks to win the championship. That fan base is hungry, thirsty for a championship. The last time they won was 1973. Bro, my mother was not yet born. So I was that's a long time ago. And they deserve this. Um it's fun nag-usap tayo, no? What if maglaban sa finals si New York and Minnesota? Diba?
Pwede. That's actually the best win-win trade scenario na
Oo.
masasabi ng both teams. Actually, we both won. Diba? Usually may
It could be the
loser in a trade.
Oo. It could be the first time ever, no, na yung dalawang team na nag-trade major in the off season will face each other in the finals. But that's we're speaking way ahead of ourselves here. But
Second
game
semifinals pa lang.
just game two reaction. Uh, I I give 100% credit to Tom Thibodeau na
Tom
yung
Thibodeau.
he went back to his roots yung depensa kasi last season the Knicks were a high scoring team, 120,
Very
115.
fast-paced. Yeah, very unlike
Oo,
Tom Thibodeau, no, na hindi
oo,
hindi
'di
mo
ba? Kasi
kasanayan.
kasi kaya nga na damage si Derrick Rose, 'di ba? Dahil kahit tambakan na ayaw niya pa ilabas eh. And he's doing the same now, and you go back to your roots
Oo.
and good things will happen. I'm just I'm amazed. I'm amazed. I really I don't think that I have the best analysis. Like I don't have the X's and O's that Manong can provide.
Oo.
But my reaction says it all. Na my God, these New York Knicks, they're a nightmare. You don't want to see them. You really don't want to see them. And imagine bro yung crowd sa Game 3 sa Madison Square Garden. What
Exactly.
what what are you expecting? The world's best arena, nandun yung Celebrity Row, 'di ba? Sila Spike Lee, sila
Oo.
Lawrence Taylor and all. It's going to be really, really tough for Boston to dig this hole that they dug for, or climb out of this hole that they dug for themselves.
Naaamoy mo eh. Naaamoy mo nung fourth quarter na may mangyayaring kababalaghan.
And
To be honest,
yung crowd
the
sa
crowd
Boston, 'di
so
ba?
tahimik, bro. Sobrang
Grabe.
tahimik.
It's like they're feeling nung game one parang okay, sige. We let that slide.
Siyempre,
Pero
game
nung
1,
game 2,
nagkakapaan eh. Okay, okay.
yung game 2 nung bumabalik unti-unti yung New York, napi-feel mo na yung crowd. Pag 'di ba we subscribe to League Pass. Pag timeout, hindi na sila yung masayang-masaya. Ganun, 'di ba? Hindi. Talagang
Nakagano na lang. Parang, alam mo yung
'di
hinihintay.
ba?
Gusto na lang matapos na lang yung laro.
Alam mo yung father mo na anxious na inaantay ka after ng prom, yung inaantay yung daughter nila. Tapos nakaganyan lang cross arm, 'di ba? And same feeling. Whenever my teams are in a close fight. So they know, not only the players but the fans know they're in big trouble, and
It
they
is
they let
trouble.
oh, and they let the Knicks get close to them again. And that's the thing that you don't want to do, especially when they have the clutch player of the year and you have an unclutch player of the year, Jason Tatum and Jalen Brown. They have not delivered in the clutch. The Knicks outscored. I'm gonna look at the box score right now. The Knicks outscored the Celtics in this fourth quarter. Let me just check the box score real quick.
Go. Habang chine-check mo yan, there was a point in the fourth quarter that the Celtics missed 14 straight buckets. They missed 14 straight
Ayan na naman.
attempts to
Eight
just
straight
show
minutes without a
what
field goal.
happened.
Uh,
You
Eight
cannot
straight
win
minutes without a field goal.
with
No,
that.
no,
You
you
cannot
you
win with
can't.
that one.
You can't. Tingin mo ba binabata lang nila yung New York? Like they underestimated New York, or it's
Laban.
just New York
Laban
wanting
ng
it
New
more.
York. It's just New York na laban na, alam mo yung sinasabi ni Manong na some sometimes a game is determined by who just wants it more. As cliche
Mhm,
as it may sound, watch the game 2 fourth quarter of this one. Boston and New York, guys.
mhm.
Ulitin nyo to know what we mean by who just wants it more. Cliche siya, oo. Pero ito yung mga
Oh,
games na nakikita mo na who's diving for the loose ball more. Who's, 'di ba? Sino yung unang on the ground? Sino yung unang tumatalon? 'Di ba?
oo.
You gotta give credit to Mitchell Robinson. You gotta give credit to Josh Hart, OG Anunoby na the
Cat.
play looks dangerous. Tatapo lang nila katawan nila just to try to save that ball. So, yun yung naging
Si Cat,
difference,
'di ba?
Graham. Si Kat din. Nakakatawa
Oo.
ng game 1, may gano'n siya alam mo ba yun, yung may photo siya na nakagano sa
Oh
likod ni
yeah.
Tatum.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, pero kidding
After all
aside,
that,
no?
'di ba? Um,
After all that, 2-0.
exactly. Si Josh Hart, by the way, shout out to Josh Hart.
Yes, yes.
Uh the physical therapist of Josh Hart must be paid double or triple, because this guy gives everything that he's got every game, and then he rarely gets out. There was a time that he was playing 48 minutes tapos siya pa rin yung ini-interview ng
Uh,
sideline reporters. Uh what a transformation. This guy used to be a corner shooter for the Lakers when he initially
Humble
got.
beginnings yan, no? He was just a
Oo.
corner shooter, get you 4 rebounds a game.
Oo, di
I
ba?
didn't think his ceiling would be this. I really thought his ceiling was just a six man. Now you just need energy. Okay, let's bring in
Oo.
Josh Hart.
To be honest, he'll probably be a sixth man sa ibang team because yung position niya. But this is the perfect situation for him. Hindi siya malaki, di ba? Hindi siya malaki. He's not
He's
Julius
six
Randle.
five. He's 6'5", six
Oo, di
four.
ba? He's small for a power forward.
Oh.
But bro, he's guarding Tatum, Jason Tatum, and Jalen Brown.
Dude,
So,
the Knicks have one of the best starting fives in my opinion. They have their bench is shallow because
oo,
after Deuce and Mitch,
Mitchell,
wala na eh. Medyo, ano
wala
na
na.
eh. Medyo,
Oo,
you gotta stick
PJ
with your
Tucker, di
seven.
ba? Wala na yung drop-off masyado
Maybe
ng
PJ Tucker
malaki.
2019, then you could say it's an eight-man rotation. But this is a
Oo,
seven-man rotation for me. But
seven-man rotation na talaga.
this five-man lineup of the Knicks, Graham, can compete with anyone.
With
They just proved
anyone.
it here. Oh,
Oo. And if I think there are only three teams that are going to have home court against New York in the playoffs. It's Boston, it's Cleveland, and it's Oklahoma City. Pag, and Cleveland is also down 0-2. And then Oklahoma City is down against Denver, di ba?
but they're
So if
currently up right now 40-18. Oh.
my goodness gracious, this game is over. Um, but
Oh, yan rin sinabi ko kanina sa ano. Bakit? Ganyan
eh,
rin kanina sa
eh,
Boston, New
yeah,
York
in
ah.
ganito rin nata ito ng game 1, di
Oh.
ba? In Denver, Oklahoma City. Down the wire din natapos game winner ni Aaron Gordon. But what I was about to say is if Oklahoma City, Cleveland, and New York and Boston all go out in the second round, New York has home court for the rest of the playoffs. Just imagine that. The crowd rallying behind them. I really love this team. I always rooted for New York because I think when the Knicks are good, the NBA is in a much better place. Because New York is a very, very big
New
market.
York,
By the
New
way, they
York is
outscored.
New York is like the
Uh,
UST of the UAP. In a way, you think so with their
yeah,
crowd? They have some rowdy ass crowd. Diba UST goes there. Sa
yeah.
New York has that vibe no na in NBA terms. Sila yung
Oo nga,
UST.
no?
Sila yung UST
Yeah.
ng NBA.
Modern era siguro UP, but yeah, uste, ano? Oo nga, no? They're always
No,
there.
UP is
No, no.
Boston. UP is Boston. Toxic na
Ah,
crowd ng Boston. Di ba sinasabi nga ni na LeBron, sinasabi na ng Golden State na the fans
they
of
hate Boston
yung mga
fans.
fans sa ano like in Boston guys, not the Filipino
Yeah.
Boston fans. They're talking about the fans in the arena. They hear the most absurd things from the
Binubusan
fan.
nga sila ng beer, di ba? On their way to the locker room.
Medyo
Ah,
racist din sa naririnig mo yung mga alam nilang mga slight racist na
that's
that they
that's
hear.
that's known. That's known. There's a
Anyway,
story. Yeah, there's a
may
story. Real
mga
quick, there's a
story yan eh.
story. Oh,
Hmm.
in the 1980s when the Lakers were playing the Celtics, meron daw lumapit kay Magic Johnson na black guy. He said, beat those Celtics. And that guy's from Boston because he cannot stand the Celtics fans. That was in the 1985 finals. But yeah, the Knicks outscored the Celtics by 13 points in the fourth
Mm-mm.
quarter.
Wow, okay.
So that just tells you in two straight fourth quarters that they outscored the defending champions. And again, no one saw this coming. The analysts did not see this coming. Stephen A. Smith did not pick
Ano
the
bang
Knicks to
prediction
win
natin dito?
games one and
Ano
two.
bang prediction
I
natin dito,
I
Grim?
don't know if I was picking, I would
Celtics
have
in
picked
5?
Boston and
Celtics in
Celtics
5?
in six. I would have picked
Ah,
Celtics
okay.
in six. That pick will still be alive today, by the way, but I'm not counting on that anymore. There's no way Boston's gonna win the next four games.
If
Uh,
Boston wins game 3, I think we might have
oh yes.
the pero
Oh,
pag na 3-0 na yung feel ko, ayan na yung
oh,
wala na
wala na yan.
talaga.
Wala na yan.
Mapapako
But
na.
alam mo yun, no, if you think about it, it's really simple. Game three is a must win for Boston. Not only because they cannot afford to go down 0-3, but you also will reinstall the fear dun sa New York Knicks na, hey, here are the champs. Game 4, if we give this away, balik na sa kanilang home court advantage. That really matters. But yeah, New York just wants it more. If you don't want to watch game two, Knicks Celtics, watch Indiana versus Cleveland kahapon. Di ba? Si Halliburton had a game winner. They wanted it more. The
We
Pacers.
should have an episode for the next na lang no na kasi this is exclusively New York and ano. Pero do we gotta give
Uh,
credits to Tyrese Halliburton, bro.
this playoffs is
Overrate
crazy. These
that.
playoffs are crazy. Overrate that. These playoffs are crazy so far.
This is the
I mean, I
best
would have
playoffs I have
I
I'm
have
sorry for your
remembered
Lakers. I
for a
wish the
while.
Lakers were here, Graham.
Uh,
Pero aminin natin like in a
I mean, I
vacuum,
don't mind.
I am enjoying this playoffs.
I'm
Ibang
entertained.
klase.
Are you
Oh,
not entertained? Di ba sabi ni Shaq, I am really entertained. Like, hindi ko kinancel yung League Pass because this is really, really worth it. This is
para rin
worth
sa podcast, 'di ba? Para
the
rin sa
subscription.
podcast. Kasi mahirap
Exactly.
pag ano
Oh.
eh, pag wala, alam, shit, Nico, di ko napanood eh.
Oo nga eh, asa tayo sa streamies or sa live sa Facebook, di ba, na nangihingi ng donation sa GCash.
Ah.
But the Knicks wanted it more. I want them to go all the way. Please, please, please sweep the Celtics. But it's not gonna be that easy. Get at least one in New York. Get at least one game in New York. You can go back to Boston. You guarantee yourself at least another game at the Garden.
Graham, let's end it with this, no? Is it time for Boston to panic?
Yes,
I'm
yes.
also a yes. I'm also
Oh,
a yes.
kasi you, especially in game three, because the crowd will be waiting for you. The Knicks will be waiting for you. They know how to beat you now on the road. But here's the thing: the Knicks in this season are better on the road than at home. So that this will be a test for them.
Ironic. Ironic.
Ironically, di ba? But it's really interesting. I'm really really hoping that the Knicks will go all the way. But I mean, as you know, the last couple of months has not been good to me as a basketball fan.
Especially what happened last night. But that's for a different
Oy,
podcast.
oy, okay.
Guys, sa
Nico,
lahat.
stop.
Uy, guys, yung mga naghihintay na PBA podcast sa amin, harap kami ng schedule. We'll have one of these days, siguro midpoint siguro ng PBA season. Siguro we'll do a assessment of how teams are doing. Parang midpoint review para sa mga corporate people dyan, no?
Midterm, oo, midterm.
Midterm
Oh, parang
review.
midterm exam namin yun sa inyo and then we'll have the usual in the finals.
We'll have the big four. We have Graham, Mario,
Oo,
and
oo nga.
Manong.
Malay mo, magsama-sama kami sa Araneta, di ba? Why
Sama
not?
sa, uy, si Manong uuwi na. He's going home today. So, sabi niya, kita-kita daw tayo. Kain daw
All right,
tayo.
there you go.
So, ano tayo? Tayong apat ni na Mario. So, we'll schedule that offline, no? But guys, on Spotify, follow 5-star rating on YouTube, like, comment, subscribe. See you all next time. Thanks for watching. NBA, PBA, Gilas, all Philippine NBA, basketball talk.
Yeah,
It's gonna be us.
there you go.
Nico, Graham, see you guys next time.
Adios, amigos.